Disclaimer: this analysis is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Investing in stocks involves risks, and it's essential to conduct thorough research or consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions. RainIndustries Limited, RAIN, is currently trading at 175.20, which is 20.22% below its 52-week high and 34.72% above its 52-week low. The stock has shown mixed signals recently, with both a Doji pattern and a spinning top on the chart, indicating indecision in the market. Additionally, the formation of a bullish harami suggests that the stock could see a reversal to the upside. From a technical perspective, the stock is hovering near key support and resistance levels. The RSI is neutral at 53.89, indicating that the stock is neither overbought nor oversold. ADX is 23.89, suggesting that the trend strength is weak, while the MACD is positive, hinting at a potential bullish crossover. The moving averages present a mixed scenario. The stock is slightly below its 10-day EMA of 176.9, showing short-term resistance, but still above the 200-day EMA at 166.8, indicating long-term bullishness. The Awesome Oscillator shows positive momentum, though it remains modest. The Ichimoku baseline at 173.02 acts as a strong support, and should the stock maintain above this level, we might see a move toward the next resistance at the classic pivot R1. Traders should also keep an eye on the stochastic RSI, which indicates the stock is not in an oversold territory yet, leaving room for potential upward movement. In terms of chart patterns, the recent inside candle formation could signal consolidation before a breakout. Volume-weighted moving average, VWMA, also reflects a key level at 176.87, acting as another short-term resistance. Overall, RainIndustries is at a crucial junction, with potential upside on the horizon but facing near-term resistance levels. Traders should watch for a breakout above 176 for confirmation of bullish momentum, with support around 167. Please visit parthkuchana.com for in-depth financial and stock market-related information.